Hello everyone, my name is Ritu and I'm a language trainer at Avigna Learning Academy, which is a premier online coaching institute. So now what does Avigna Learning Academy do to help you? What are the various courses that we help you with? Let us have a look at that. So Avigna coaches students for various English language certification exams like the IELTS, TOEFL, OET and PTE. The IELTS, TOEFL, and PTE exams can be taken by anybody who is willing to travel abroad, but OET exams have to be taken only by healthcare professionals. So, what are these exams? So, these exams are mandatory English language exams that a person will have to take when he or she wishes to go abroad to study or work in an English language speaking country. Okay, so many students have approached our institute because they had not performed very well in their exam. This could be because they had not taken any training before they attempted the exam, or because they did not receive the right kind of training. So I'm very happy to say that those who have approached us for help and training have scored very well in their tests. You would have also come across many people like your friends or your colleagues who are not comfortable talking to a crowd. Now, Avigna has a solution to that. We offer English language enhancement programs like Business English, English Startup, English Fluency, and Speak English Confidently, which will help you and your friends improve your English language and communication skills. Avigna has been training students since 14 years and has trained students across the globe like India, Australia, New Zealand, Singapore, UK, Sri Lanka, and also the Middle Eastern cities. Our students have passed their exams with excellent marks and flying colors and have now started working abroad. And they've also started studying in various companies and organizations abroad. So we're also tied up with various study abroad consultancies to help our students with visa processing. Okay, so what are our specialties? Now you will find that training here at Avigna Learning Academy can be very exciting. And why is that so? That is because you will be mentored here by experienced and expert English language trainers. We have a virtual face-to-face training in real time that will help students interact with their trainers. We also believe that each student is special and important and must get the maximum attention during training. That is why at Avigna, we follow the concept of one trainer per student. This will help the student get maximum attention, and the trainer will be able to assess all the shortcomings of the student and help him improve. We also get students who come to us and tell us that they are sometimes good at one skill, but they're not very good at other skills like maybe writing and speaking. So how do we go about this? So here at Avigna, we customize the curriculum according to the students' needs and give them more practice and practice material so they get the desired and necessary help. We also have interactive sessions that are held constantly to build confidence and assess the students. We get many students who are working professionals like doctors, engineers, and nurses whose work shifts keep changing every now and then. So, to accommodate this, we provide training to the students at a time that is convenient to them. We also have ample amount of practice material and mock tests that will help you get ready and be completely prepared and confident by the end of your training. Mock tests will be conducted on a regular basis to evaluate your performance and help you out. So now let's get to the topic of today's webinar. So today we're going to be talking about PTE Academic. So what is PTE Academic? So PTE Academic, or Pearson Test of English Academic, is the first entirely computer-based English language test that evaluates English language proficiency of candidates who wish to study abroad or immigrate or acquire a job in a foreign country. So this is not a test of your technical knowledge or your general knowledge. This test only assesses your English language skills. So let us know more about the PTE Academic test. The PTE test is available in over 200 locations across the globe. 365 test dates are available in a year. for you to take the test. So that makes PT one of the most frequently conducted exams in the world. It is also a computer-based test with convenient testing solutions without human bias. The test is scored completely by a computer without the interference of humans. The result of the test will be delivered to you via email within 5 working days. Based on your performance, you will receive a score between 10 and 90 marks. The PT test fee is around 13,300 rupees. Okay, so who conducts the PT academic? The PT academic exam is conducted by the Pearson Language Tests, a unit of Pearson PLC Group, which was first launched in the year 2009. And who recognizes the PT academic exam? The PT academic is accepted by thousands of universities worldwide, including prestigious institutions like Harvard, Yale, and European Institute of Business Administration. It is also accepted for visa purposes by Australian and New Zealand governments. So what about the eligibility? So PT academic can be taken by anyone irrespective of their age, gender, nationality, religion, race, etc. However, the exam is not recommended for those under 16 years of age. So let us look at the format of the test. There are 4 modules in the PTA exam, that is speaking, writing, reading and listening. The speaking and writing exam are given together, which is followed by the reading exam and then the listening exam. So about the PTA academic test format, the PTA test is based on real life academic and general content. So during the exam, you will come across various graphs, summaries, excerpts, and many more items that you can relate to things around you. The test also contains both native and non-native accents, much like what you hear in films, TVs, and other real-life conversations from everyday life. The PTA exam can also be completed within 3 hours. So if you could get a very good training from our institute, your dream of relocating to another country can be fulfilled in a matter of just 3 hours in the form of this test. You might be thinking, what is so special about this PTE test? You might wonder, okay, it's just a 3-hour exam like any other exam you might have attempted during your school or college. So there's a lot of difference. In PTE exam, you have to multitask at every level. During the speaking test, you will come across questions where you will have to describe images. You will also have to listen to questions and then give suitable answers. In the reading section, you will have to read very short paragraphs and give answers immediately. So during the listening test, you will also have to listen to the audio clip and then read the passage given on the screen and then answer immediately. So if you're a student or a professional, you would usually converse with your family, friends, or colleagues in the native language. But to fulfill your dream of going abroad, you have to take up this exam, which judges your English language proficiency in all of these skills. So again, you do not have to worry here. Avigna Learning Academy will help you achieve this dream by providing you with a lot of practice tests and mock tests to make sure that you will score very well in your exam. So now let us look at these sections individually. The first section is the speaking section. In the speaking module, you will have to answer around 35 to 40 questions within 35 minutes. The speaking module of the PTE assesses your speaking, listening, and writing skills. The PTE speaking section begins with a personal introduction where you are expected to introduce yourself first. Then it is followed by the various question types. So what are the various question types or the task types? They are read aloud, repeat sentence, describe image, retell lecture, and then finally answer short questions. So here at Avigna, we make sure that the student gets ample practice before the actual exam to be absolutely confident. Most students are nervous and anxious, but after the practice sessions, you will be very confident to take up the exam and you will give your best. So here we have a sample of the PT speaking mock test that was performed at Avigna Learning Academy. The student has now cleared the test with his desired score. Let's have a look at it. Hello, I'm the language language trainer here at Avigna Learning Academy. Today we have a student here who has taken up the PTE course with us. He is going to be making an attempt to describe an image. Alright, so you will have 15 seconds to prepare for this question and then you will have to speak for 40 seconds. So friends, please start speaking.
The line bar represents monthly expenses of the person area-wise comparison over the span of 2015 to 2017, which includes the parameters online mobile recharge, online food ordering, online ticket ordering. So we can see the exponential decrease for the online mobile recharge from the rupees 1000 to 600 from year 2015 to 2017, and we can see the exponential growth in the parameters for the online food ordering and online ticket booking. So it has got increased from the 400 to between 1400 and 1600 for online ticket booking, and from 1600 to nearly 1800 for online ticket booking. So, overall conclusion is the person has spent more amount on online ticket ordering and online food ordering, and less amount on online mobile recharge.
Alright. So your answers are going to be based on or judged upon parameters like oral fluency, pronunciation, grammar, vocabulary, your sentence structures, and also the content. So after listening to your answers, I have observed that you need to work a little bit on your grammar and your sentence structures as well as your vocabulary. So for more queries, please log on to www.avignalearning.com. Okay, so now let us move on to the next section, that is the writing section. So in the writing section, you will have to answer around 4 to 5 questions within 60 minutes. The writing module of the PTE exam assesses your comprehension and your writing skills. So there are two kinds of questions in the writing section. They are the summarized written text and write essay. So in this slide, we have an example on summarized written text item type, where you will have to summarize a given paragraph and write it in a single sentence within 10 minutes. So let me read it to you. The question goes like this. By far, the most popular and most consumed drink in the world is water, but it may come as no surprise that the second most popular beverage is tea. Although tea was originally grown only in certain parts of Asia, in countries such as China, Burma, and India, it is now a key export product in more than 50 countries around the globe. Countries that grow tea, however, need to have the right tropical climate, which includes up to 200 centimeters of rainfall per year to encourage fast growth and temperatures that range from 10 to 35 degrees centigrade. They also need to have quite specific geographical features such as high altitudes to promote the flavor and taste of the tea, and land that can offer plenty of shade in the form of other trees and vegetation to keep the plants cool and fresh. Together, these conditions contribute to the production of the wide range of high quality teas that are in such huge demand among the world's consumers. There is green tea, jasmine tea, Earl Grey tea, peppermint tea to help you sleep, tea to promote healing, and tea to relieve stress. But above all, tea is a social drink that seems to suit the palates and consumption habits of human beings in general. So now you can see that important phrases are marked in green, and these phrases can be used to write your answer in a single sentence. So the answer goes like this. Tea, the second most popular drink in the world, is grown in over 50 countries now, but these countries have to have the right climate and geographical features if they are going to produce sufficient high quality plants to manufacture a wide range of teas that are exported around the world for general consumption. All right. So now the writing section in the PT exam is one of the most difficult sections to tackle. Most students find it difficult to achieve their desired score in this particular section. And why is that so? So that is because even though the students speak very well, they commit a lot of errors while writing. They make errors like grammatical errors, spelling errors. They don't use the right kind of vocabulary in their answers. They make punctuation errors. They either give too much information or they give too little information. They give their essays are not very organized and they have very less clarity. So here at Avigna, we help students improve their grammar and vocabulary using the material we provide. We help students write organized essays and in all other areas that will help them excel during the exam. The next module or the next section is the reading section. So in this section, you will have to answer around 15 to 20 questions within 40 minutes. The different item types are multiple choice, choose single answer, multiple choice, choose multiple answers, reorder paragraphs, reading, fill in the blanks, reading and writing, fill in the blanks. So you should remember that there is a negative marking in the multiple choice, choose multiple answers item type. That means marks will be deducted if you choose a wrong answer to a question only in this particular item type. So here we have an example for reference. On the left hand side, we have a small extract from a passage with blanks. There is also a box with answer choices given below the extract. And on the right hand side, you can see the answers to the given question. Now, what happens during the actual test is extracts are not very long, but the time given to answer these questions is also too less. So students read them, but they fail to comprehend the question. They fail to recognize the answers and they fall short in skimming and scanning skills and also paraphrasing skills. So we here at Avigna help our students learn all the strategies and skills so that they give their best performance during the exam. Now the last section is the listening section. This section tests the candidate's ability to understand spoken English. In this section, you will have to answer around 20 to 25 questions within 50 to 60 minutes in total. The various item types are summarize spoken text, multiple choice, choose multiple answer, fill in the blanks, highlight correct summary, multiple choice, choose single answer, select missing word, highlight incorrect words, and write from dictation. There is again negative marking in questions like highlight incorrect words and multiple choice, choose multiple answers. Okay, so now on the screen, you can see an example. It's a transcript of an audio clip that you are about to hear. So you have to read the transcript simultaneously while listening to the audio clip and then identify the incorrect words. Now let us listen to the audio clip. For you to understand, you can see that the answers have been written in the brackets next to the incorrect words.
It seems we now know more about outer space than we do about the Earth's core. This is because temperatures are so high at the center of the Earth that human beings have not been able to take a close look at it. However, new methods of analysis may soon change all that. The seismic waves created by earthquakes and volcanic eruptions penetrate the Earth's layers at different speeds. It is now hoped that by studying these waves, scientists will be able to make new discoveries and solve some of the mysteries of the internal structure of the Earth.
Now let's see how the PTE tests are scored. So PTE Academic is scored against the global scale of English, a thermometer style scale that gives you an accurate overview of your skills. The test is evaluated using artificial intelligence to avoid any bias in scoring. The candidates will receive the test score within 5 days. PT Academic Score Report includes your overall score, communication skills scores, and enabling skills scores. After the completion of the test taker will receive PT academic scores on the GSE scale from 10 to 90. Here's a sample report card of the PT exam where you can see the overall scores of a candidate. The candidate is scored for vocabulary, spelling, grammar, and other areas. That will be the end of the webinar. For more information, please log on to www.avignalearning.com. You may view our videos and posts on our website or on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and also YouTube. If you have any questions or queries, you can contact us on this phone number, or you can also email us at info@avignalearning.com. Please give us a feedback on this session. Thank you for a wonderful time and have a great day.